We're going to go over some curvature of the Earth right now. We have a big Earth, so it's obvious, it's easy to point out the curvature in it. We're roughly 25,000 miles in circumference, so that means that we can calculate the curvature of 1 mile, or it's 8 inches per mile squared. So for 1 mile, it's 1 times 1 times 8 for 8 inches. So let's just say from this point to, say, this point over here, it's a mile. Kind of want to go across water right now. It's going diagonally. Let's say from this Eiffel Tower thing to this building right here is 1 mile. So that should be 8 inches of drop. And then say from this point to across over to that point right there, that's 2 miles. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 8 inches is your 32 mile, or your 32 inches. And then let's just say from that point right there, I still want to go across water, so that's 1 mile. Let's just say that's 2 miles right here. 32 inches. And then for 3 miles is 3 times 3 is 9 times 8 inches, which is 72. "72 inches divided by 12 is 6 feet, so that should be 6 feet for 3 miles. How far do you think it is from this point over there to, say, this point right here? 10 miles at least. And then we'll just go from that point, that's the middle. Look at. Water doesn't always seek and find its natural level too, by the way. And the only reason why this water's sticking on the ground right here is because the Earth is so massive. It has this crazy force coming off of it called gravity. And it holds all the water down. It has nothing to do, that water is just denser than the air, so it doesn't float beyond the air. And water can never naturally stick to the outside of the an object, but don't let that wake you up. Just continue thinking that the Earth is curved and that we're spinning, yet water is always still. You know what happens when I shake a cup of water? All the water goes crazy in it. If we were spinning right now, you know what happens if I spin my cup right here? At the slightest motion, it starts making a whirlpool or a circular rotation. When you spin stuff, it flies off. This water is not going anywhere. They tell us that we spin at 1,000 miles per hour and that we go around the sun at 45 or at 66,600 miles per hour, and then the sun goes, and then our planet orbits the sun. Oh well, not even that. Then our sun orbits our galaxy at 450,000 miles per hour, and then our galaxy pulls us through the universe at 2 million miles per hour. Yeah, we don't feel a single thing of it. It's obvious. I'm telling you, it's obvious. That curve is never going to be found. You see any curvature in any of this, anywhere you look? How many miles do you think this spans across? The horizon is always flat and it always rises to eye level. If we were higher than this point right here, we would be able to see further. Look how freaking, I'm telling you, you're never ever gonna see a curvature. I'm looking for it. I'm dead fucking looking for it, but I don't see it. That water right here, they tell us, look at that boat right there, that's over the horizon. We're not gonna see it. Did you see that? It's over the horizon. I'll just zoom in. I'm telling you, look at, here we go. It's over the horizon. Oh, that's not even the one. Nope, it's further. It's that one. Oh, there's another one over there. You see how far that is? It's still completely flat. That water is completely flat. This water right there is completely flat with that water over there. This building right here is completely flat with that building over there. And the same with that building over there. And the same with that building over there. They're all completely flat.